कर्मणे वाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतु भूरमा te sango sattva karmani, which means you have the right to work but never to its fruits. Let not fruits of action be your motive. Your work, your duty will reap fruits. During Mahabharata, when Arjun was reluctant to fight, wondering what is the use of fighting for a mere piece of land, killing your own kith and kin, killing your own family, and he was reluctant to pick up weapons. That's when Lord Krishna shared this shlok with Arjun and told him that it is your duty that you have to fulfill and not worry about the consequences. Whether you win or lose, it doesn't matter. How well you perform your duty is what matters. मैं जानती हूँ इस श्लोक को रियल लाइफ में अप्लाई कर पाना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, लेकिन यूपीएससी की जर्नी इतनी कॉम्पिटिटिव और लंबी होती है कि अगर आप कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस के बारे में, आउटकम्स के बारे में ही सोचते रहेंगे तो आप हमेशा ओवरवेल्म्ड रहेंगे. एंड द रीजन ऑफ स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो which talks about how to overcome your fear for UPSC and any other competitive exam is because most of us get jittery thinking about the consequence. Do you know why so many people don't even prepare for UPSC? Because they are afraid of failing in the exam. It takes courage to even begin the preparation. However, it is understandable that since the journey is so long and competitive, fear is natural. Right mindset and right strategy is what it takes to handle any kind of fear and not just the fear of UPSC Civil Services exam. इसके लिए सबसे पहला स्टेप है take a moment and identify your fears. What are you fearful about? Is it the lengthy syllabus? Is it competition? Is it the fear to fail in the exam? And then you should break down your fear into smaller goals. बड़ी पिक्चर में क्या होगा, सिलेक्शन होगा नहीं होगा, कितने साल में सिलेक्शन होगा, कितने अटेम्प्ट लगेंगे, ये तो सच मायने में किसी को भी नहीं पता है. लेकिन आप अपने छोटे छोटे गोल्स बनाकर उन्हें कैसे पूरा कर सकते हैं ये आप जानते हैं. इस पर आपका कंट्रोल है. प्रिपरेशन अगर आप दूर से देखें तो थोड़ा सा क्योस लग सकती है, पर अगर आप इस क्योस में एक मेथड को ढूंढ लेंगे तो इससे प्रिपरेशन के टुवर्ड्स आपका फियर कम हो जाएगा. और मुझे लगता है कि ये छोटे छोटे गोल्स ही एड अप करके बड़ी पिक्चर को बनाते हैं. इसीलिए छोटे गोल्स पर फोकस करना आपके लिए एक बहुत फ्रूटफुल स्टेप साबित हो सकता है. द सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टूल टू हैंडल योर फियर इज प्रैक्टिस. द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस, द मोर यू बीट योर फियर आउटसाइड द एग्जाम. Mock tests, mock interviews, clocking your hours, doing a time-based assessment, all of these things will help you equip your arsenal when you have to fight the war of fear. Everybody stresses on the importance of inculcating healthy, positive habits, be it meditation, be it visualization techniques, be it positive self-talk. Why do you need to do all of these things? Actually, what happens is, since this journey is so long, you tend to question yourself more often than you should. It is natural to have some kind of self-doubt. But when you have healthy habits which positively reinforce your belief that you can crack this exam, they certainly help you make this preparation sustainable for yourself. How can you inculcate this positive self-belief? Remind yourself of your strengths. Remind yourself of your achievements. And do that frequently. That will become the true fuel for you to be able to sustain this preparation for a longer time. Build a community. Nope, it doesn't hurt to have friends who can relate to you. Build a community of people who are preparing alongside you. Friends who can share your fears. Understand what mechanisms are they following to deal with their fears. Vent out with them. Share your worries with them. This community can become your backbone in this preparation. So focus on building a healthy community for yourself. But remember, don't overdo it. Whenever you find yourself troubled with any kind of fear, just remember one thing. UPSC Civil Services examination might be one of the toughest examinations in the world. But the good part is, unlike a lot of other things in life, this exam rewards merit. If you are meritorious, if you have put in your hard work, this exam will reward you. It is an exam which gives equal opportunity to anybody and everybody. Your caste, class, gender, region, nothing matters. If you have merit and if you have put in hard work, you will get the reward. Isn't this a good race to run where everything is fair and the trophy is too big to miss out? Just remember this. whenever you have any kind of fear about the exam. और जानते हैं इस डर का असली कारण क्या होता है? क्योंकि हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि अगर कुछ नहीं भी हुआ तो भी बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. Remember, there are always plenty of options. There are many roads that lead to your destination. This is an era of options. So why just keep beating yourself up if one option doesn't work out? If you have worked hard, if you have what it takes in you, then you will be able to reach your destination with other roads as well. और जब भी डर बहुत बढ़ जाए तो इन पंक्तियों को जरूर याद रखिएगा, ये मुझे भी हौसला देती है. गिरते हैं शाह सवार ही जंगे मैदान में, गिरते हैं शाह सवार ही जंगे मैदान में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेंगे जो घुटनों के बल चलें. To continue this discussion on fear management for UPSC and other competitive exams, you can tune in to my live session which is happening on 17th of October only at Unacademy app. You will find the link in the description. Hope to see you all very soon live in my session. Thank you.